and a fresh tea. We two crucial assholes, yeah, that's me. Look at him, his eyes closed, he ain't even sleep. Say boo, sit chill with all that swerving, too much dope in here. Nigga, slow down, you better think about it headed. If y'all want that savage shit, I gotta represent. Y'all want some rider shit, well here it is then. How you ride? Bad bitch, headed nails, feet too. How you ride? Leather seats, TVs with the beat too. How you ride? Get big behind tits you can't see through, and my rims way bigger than yours. Red truck, blue truck, green truck, black truck, suburban, excursion, that Tahoe, that light truck. Fuck it, a bucket, a Delta, a Cutlass, a Regal, a Monteague, whatever you thuggin'. It's souped up, it's cooped up, it falls down with great sound. When summer hits, you gotta keep the roof up or it go down. That bad bitch, now she be in that Mustang or that Sebring, or stunting her ass off in that old 5, a man bar. How you riding? How you riding? Bad bitch, headed nails, feet too. How you riding? Leather seats, TVs with the beat too. How you riding? Get big behind tents you can't see through, and my rims way bigger than yours. How much your paint costs? Look like it just got rained on. Tell me this when you stop. Do your rims stop or they keep going? Your Nissan, your Neon, your Mac Caprice on. You finna take off them 20s and put them big 23s on. Watching the latest DVDs with the TVs on. It's hot AC in winter can turn your heat on. Hear them loud pipes as soon as you put your feet on. Bicycles, motorbikes, whatever you on the street on. Ooh, how you ride? How you ride? Bad bitch, headed nails, feet too. How you ride? Leather seats, TVs with the beat too. How you ride? Get bit behind tents you can't see through, and my rims way big. You hit the cheap route, or do that deck pop out? You gon' let that tech pop out if that mess pop out. How you ride? Won't you ain't worried about flossing? You hollering, fuck what I'm talking. Your shit better than walk. It's 5 stickers up on, look like the junkyard on. The 26s up on it, and buku bitches up on it. What key the motor up in? And think you can fuck with that hit? I got a Cutlass 350, will leave your ass by distance. Ooh, how you ride? You ain't customly did or ringly interior like the West Side niggas. I sit that bang on the switches. Them by 9s be ticking. You broke the rear view mirrors, but that's the photo time shit I run. Over to I got a black chrome grill on the factory rims. Hose piled up in here, all on lamps and steel. Can't wait to get to the room, limit on my ear. Y'all gon' get it, just chill, let me control this wheel. Ooh. Hot girl, half bird, man, I ride like that. I ain't even tryna swerve, I just drive like that. With a Beyonce face and some thighs like that. Attitude like Trina and an ass that fat. Fuck it, I done told my cousin you can have that you gon' do it, then do it from the business to views. Let your ears look stupid, drop them up 22. And ooh, y'all niggas is clueless. Don't you worry about trill. It's another hit for y'all stupid clouds to steal. Game time. How you riding? That bitch head, did nails, feet too. How you ride? Leather seats, TVs with the beat too. How you ride? Getting bit by high tech, you can't see through. And my rims way bigger than yours. Ooh. Tell me you wanna be done. There's so many things on these streets. Bang, bang on these streets. Key holders that hug with slugs, and it's the thing to be either Crips or Bloods. Nate showed niggas how it was and how nobody do it like we does. 'Cause ain't nobody do you like we do. Can't nobody do you like we do. Something about the West Coast makes me bang the beats. Something about the West Coast makes me run them streets. Something about the music makes me want to sing. Something about the front, it knocks me off my feet. Can't nobody do you like we do. Can't nobody do you like we do. I know you never thought these niggas could be this good. We be bumping in your system from hood to hood. I know you never even know we would last this long. You were dead wrong, homie. This tape is a double OG, all up in the place. Corrupt, better ask your girl why she's staring at me. Leave me alone. Oh, oh. Can't nobody do you like we do. Can't nobody do you like we do. So be ready for the get down, ready to have sit down. Bitch nigga sit down, running in and out your house, running in and out your spouse. Don't say shit or I'll be running in and out your mouth. Gangsters get the party cracking, get it landed, get it crunk. Nate Dogg ain't corrupt, yeah nigga that's what's up. Now I gotta show y'all how the West Coast rock shit, the cock and plot shit, Dogtown boxes. Can't nobody do you like we do. Like can't nobody do you like we do.
Bunch of more gunshots fill the block. The fun stops. Niggas is calling cops. People sharp. Nobody stops. I wonder when the world stopped caring. Last night 2 kids shot while the whole block staring. Ooh, I will never understand this society. They try to murder me, then lie to me. Product of a dying breed. All my homies try and weave. Staring at the world through my rear view. Scream to God, he can't hear you. Hell, your heart beat fast, it's time to die. Getting high, watch your time fly. Oh, listen. Through the intermission, search your heart for the plan. And we turn it bad boys to grown men. Song again. I give a holler to my niggas in the darkest corners. Roll a perfect love and let me smoke it for ya. One love from the third nigga. Staring at the world through my rear view. Scream to God, he can't hear you. Tell your heart beating fast. It's time to die, getting high. Now I was raised as a young black male. In order to get paid, forced to make crack sales. Gonna niggas so they sink into these polar back tails in the cell. Count days and it's living life.
stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.